Hello friends, today I am going to give you some demo lectures regarding how to fill online marks through SPPU Pune on BCUD portal. So for that there is a minimum requirement is there, that is your BCUD user ID and password. Then second one is your mark list in a hard copy for theory as well as the practical, along with the name of the student is there, it will be required. Then pen or pencil for making a tick mark. Okay, that is which students are remaining, which students are there that are to be filled. Likewise the tick mark you have to make. Okay, then next one is there, so for that one you have to go into the Google. On this Google you have to type SPPU Pune. Once you have typed SPPU Pune and enter, this one page will appear. Okay, then on this one page, you have to click on examination as the arrow is there showing you examination. Here you have to click. After clicking on examination, this page will appear. In this one page, in the third column, that is the college section, college login is there. You have to click on this one college login. Here you have click. After clicking on this one college login, you will appear this one page. Here you have to click on the internal marks entry system. Okay, you have to click on the login now in this one. Okay, once you have to click on this one, this will appear. This page is there, it shows you. Then you have to click on the internal marks entry system. Okay, then in this, once you have to be open this one, this page will appear. Here you have to add your user ID and password. Every student, every staff member is getting the user ID and the password. You have to enter and click on login. Once you have to click on login, this page will appear. So for this one, you have to enter the internal examiner or internal marks. Internal examiner is there. Okay. So once you have to click in on this one internal examiner, this page will appear. In this case, when you have to fill the marks, first of all, you have to uh, enter the absentee of the students. Some of the students are there that is absent for examination. So for that, the absentee is to enter at first. So for how to enter the absentee? So for that, there is a need to go into the mark entry. Click on this one mark entry. Will appear this one page. Then click on this one add or edit. Okay, the blue color icon is there on this one. You have to click here. You have to also appear how many students are there, that is appear, but you have to fill the marks of that. Here 69 students are there, so you have to open this one blue. Okay, you will appear this one page. Then the name of the students are there in the first one column. There is a seat number is there. The, for example, a student is there, that is a IS Simruddin. He is absent for examination. You want to mark absent, then write down the his her seat number, that is a 4809. Okay, then you have to again come into home page, then go into the add absent entry. Click on that, you will appear this one page. Here you have to add your college name, St. Junior College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Then go for the pattern, in which pattern you want to fill the marks. For example, 2015 pattern is there, 2018 pattern is there, 2019 pattern is there, for which you are going to fill the mark or mark absentee. You have to select. Then select the paper type, whether the theory is there or the practical is there or the name of the subject is there. Once you have to select this one, the batch number will come automatically. There's no need to add batch number. Automatically that comes. Then you have to enter the seat number of the students. Okay, just I enter 4809. Then you have to click on the search button. Okay, after clicking on this one, you will appear this one, that is the PRN number of the student is there, name of the student is there, then his batch number is there. Now, in this case, what you want to take a decision whether you want to show absent or not applicable or detain or copy case, whatever it may be. Just you have to select. For this one, if the student is absent, then you are going to mark absent, then you have to mark absent or not applicable. But for depends on the situation what you are decided, you have to mark this one. Okay, then save. Okay, this is finished. Now again come to mark entry, then click on this one, select appointment as internal examiner. Okay, then click on this one, will appear this one page. In this case, you have to click on this one, add and edit button, blue color. Again, then as you are going to fill the bars till you are not filled or not evaluated. Okay, so not evaluated is there, then click on the show student. Okay, then students appear, then you have to fill the marks. In case of the marks, just before that you have to check how much out of which you are going to fill the marks, whether the 40 marks is there or the 60 marks is there, because for university examination there is a 60 marks is there for practical, and for internal theory there is a 40 marks are there, internal practical there is a 40 marks are there. As you are going to fill the marks internal, so out of 40 how many marks are there, you have to fill that one. Okay, one by one. Likewise, at the bottom there is a save and next option is there, that you have to click on that one and you have to fill all the marks. Okay, after completion of the marks, you want to check whether the marks are there that is correct or not. So in this case, you have evaluated student means you have to fill the marks. Okay, so click on the evaluated, then click on the show students. You will get about this one page where the marks of the student, their names are there, that is mentioned. Just have to verify this one. Once you are verified, okay, then again come to the home page, then click on the preview button. Once you have to click on the preview button, you will get this one page where this gives you the detailed information regarding the name of the subject, your college name, okay, your teacher name is there, that is mentioned, then how many students are there, that is appear, how many students mark you have entered. Okay, your subject name is there, likewise the whole means just like your mark sheet is there, that is be appear. If that is completed means total 69 students are there here, and 69 students are there here also, present student, then absent student is there something. If the total of this both is equal to the total of the total student, then this is okay. Once you have to be confirmed that these marks are finalized, there is no change if there is required, then you have to go on the confirmation button. But before that, you must have to revise twice or thrice, because once you have to click on the confirmation button, you will not change the marks of the student at any cost. Once you know that it's okay, then you have to click on confirmation button. Okay, here 69 out of 69 is there, is to be present. Once you have to fill all the marks. Okay, after confirmation, you have to click on the print button. Then you have PDF is generated. You have to save this in PDF, or you have to take the printout of the mark sheet Then you have to sign it and submit it to the exam department within a due date. Okay. If you have any query, then you have to ask to me on this anyone number. Okay. Thank you.